I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin downside. Talked about it. Been waiting on it for 57 days. We nailed tons of profits in the trading group. Pages of them. 355, 334, 310, 203. Major victories for the bears today. Now, understand that the weekly 200 SMA, very important for the weekly candle, which doesn't close till Sunday. Not there yet. Needs to hold above this level, right? Just like we talked about, you can't be, how are you macro bullish when this level isn't broken? You had all this major reversal support, this flipped as resistance and then plummeted. Resistance, still resistance. If you lose this support level right here, you will confirm a double top and you will end up down here around $20,000. The Bitcoin daily chart, clean picture, the break to the downside. Most important thing is you just need, see this low, this is the high. You just need a higher low above this previous low. Right now, you're under, the daily candle just closed under 200 SMA on the daily chart. Now you have to wonder if there's going to be a bearish retest where it comes back up there and then you get more downside continuation. You had this, remember that volume spike we talked about, that huge candle that would confirm everything? That volume spike in candle were printed today. This is the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. You have this crazy, huge quick drop, shook the entire market. Altcoins got wrecked. And then buyers jumped in right here, 24,180. Ton of traders got liquidated. I think there was $1 billion in liquidations across the board. Tons of people got completely wrecked. When you open up shorts and you're making money and the market drops drastically, you make a ton of money real quick. And we successfully shorted this move to the downside all over the trading group. We had great trades and the bulls came back in and they bought up a ton of Bitcoin. I mean, people jumped in at 24,000 and bought it all the way up to $26,650 right now. A ton of buyers at this level. Resistance, even wicked into this buy zone, right? Based on these levels. Will you see downside continuation? Again, this is not amazing for the bulls. You've got extremely oversold levels. I mean, way down here, we haven't seen this. It was a 5.5. We haven't seen this in an extended period of time. Huge sell-off. There's a bunch of news, and we'll talk about it. Why did this happen? Why did it happen so quickly? I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. Most important thing is right now, the cheapest prices ever for leverage trading. You can short the market. You could trade both ways. You can make 350% profits, 335, 310, 203, 181, 168. While everybody else is losing money holding coins, you can make a ton of money in this market trading both ways. Right? Use these codes. Go to cryptorev.net. Use leverage 100, you get $100 off. Use leverage 200, you get $200 off. Huge savings right now. Cheapest it's ever been. And again, we're nailing bangers every single day. This person thanks this group is honestly the best decision I've made with my life. Y'all are amazing. This person, best group ever, period. We're killing it in the leverage trading group. Best decision I made joining this group. This person, thank you for everything. Our life is completely changed. Much love. The key is cryptorev.net. Join the leverage group. Just try it. Easy money. If you have any questions, you can email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Make an account on MEXC. One of the easiest exchanges to trade on with leverage. It's like playing a video game. Just move things around with your mouse, not typing a bunch of numbers. Things happen quickly. Remember, if you've got a small bag in this market, you need to make money whether the market's going up or down. You want to have a big bag when this Bitcoin bull run happens, and it will, it's coming. Just look, the easy money is coming. You can see back here in 2012, halving, parabolic pump. 2016, parabolic rally. 2020, parabolic rally. Guess what happens? How far are we going to drop before we start taking off? Is the question. Let's get this downside out of the way and get this bull run underway. China's Evergrande Group filed for bankruptcy in New York on Thursday. Most important thing is the easiest money you will ever make in this market is coming. You have to keep your mind right. You have to stay in the game. You have to continue to practice and learn. If you cannot double $100 in this market, you have no business trading with anything larger than that. But there's a ton of money ready to FOMO into this market and pump this thing crazy. To get some good news, I think, you get a Republican president, you get a Bitcoin spot ETF approved, you get some clear-cut regulations in the United States would change the game. Don't free pick a bunch of exchanges, SEC, don't free pick a bunch of cryptos. Put something in writing. That's all we want. 4 House bills that we're hopeful for in the United States, but obviously hasn't been amazing. And so we had to adjust to what the market's given us, and we started shorting the market. But the bottom line is life-changing money is coming. Just be patient. Do not quit. Make sure you've got to maintain your account balances. Do not let other people take your money. You're not losing money in this market. Other people take it, right? People took profits today. People jumped back in. They jumped right back into the trade, and you saw a long wick. Buyers jumped in. You saw this price action shoot a lot higher. Rebounded quickly. But at the time, everybody was panicking, panic selling. China's Evergrande Group filed for bankruptcy on Thursday. This was once China's second largest property developer by sales, but the firm borrowed heavily and defaulted on its debt in 2021. There's an ongoing property crisis in the country. So they're looking for Chapter 15 bankruptcy protection. Debts are 2.437 trillion yuan, which is $340 billion. That's roughly 2% of China's entire gross domestic product. This company got wrecked. This is obviously not a good sign for the global economy. The market sees $1 billion in liquidation. Ethereum, Bitcoin, the top cryptocurrencies plunged, triggering massive liquidations. Someone posted this, $25,126 Bitcoin, down 13%. KuCoin, 11, almost 12% down. Ethereum down 15%. XRP down 27%. Double-digit red days. These are great times to buy into oversold bounces on the RSI. Make quick money. If you just want to stick to trading long, that's fine. Learn how to buy oversold bounces, scale in, smart. If you don't know what you're doing, take your time and practice with small amounts. One of the things that caused, we saw more selling as Elon Musk's SpaceX announced that it sold $373 million worth of Bitcoin. But if we go over to this article, you can see that, face it, Elon Musk had a bunch of Bitcoin in SpaceX, 373 million, right? Gone now, sold already. Tesla used to hold Bitcoin, and they sold $936 million worth of Bitcoin. It's already been sold, right? It's been sold. It was just announced. But people, the selling pressure increased after this came out. Ethereum, so this was the Ethereum chart we talked about yesterday as far as the double top, this being a lower high, the downside break in the volume. So this was the measured move down here, 1200. In this target, not Chris made it up. It's technical analysis says that this is the target, right? So at Ethereum could see much lower prices. Again, Bitcoin could see much lower prices. The bulls have to pull off a miracle. The former Binance CSO, he said there's a couple of catalysts that could drive Bitcoin above 60,000. He claims licensing a major exchange in Europe and opening the Korean market could bring in $60,000 Bitcoin. The problem in the United States is there's just not rules, regulations, and good infrastructure ideas set in stone. We haven't had that yet. All across the board in crypto, right? You want these major mega institutions to invest their clients' money into crypto and Bitcoin. Need clarity. guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys